First you take the aluminum frame and put it into the petri dish and look that the screws are out. Then you take the appropriate Teflon insert. This is for the bromide. Turn it and put the bipolar plate in it. Then you take the carbon felt, put it in the middle there. Next is the gasket, sealing it. And then you can take out the Nafion mem with the fingers, no problem with this. Put it centered on top. Next, take the other carbon felt, be aware that they should match, and put it on top of the Nafion membrane. The gaskets on top of each other. Then you turn the Teflon insert and put in the bipolar plate, the other one. And then you put the whole thing on top of each other. Now it's important that you squeeze this together. You take the frame and then you set it in there, still squeezed. And then you tighten the screw first with the hands. They have a little dip in there. If you can't screw further with the hand, then you use the Allen key just for some turns. And that's it.